Wyt ti rhwng 16 ac 19 mlwydd oed ac y diddordeb mewn datblygu gyrfa yn y diwydiant bwyd, ffermio neu reoli tir. Join the Junior Agri Academy to help you communicate more effectively, learn how to handle press and media interviews and build your negotiation skills. Dysgwch sut i gadeirio cyfarfodydd, mynegu eich barn yn fwy effeithiol a chyfarfod pobl dylanwadol o fewn y diwydiant.
I definitely encourage the young farmers to apply for the opportunity. The experiences I've gained through completing the course. I mean, I've met loads of young people like-minded to myself, opportunity to meet other industry leaders, and it's just been a fantastic opportunity, and I would hugely encourage anyone who's looking at it to definitely apply.
Innovating.
Inspirational.
Fun.
Diddorol.
Beneficial.
Motivating.
Amazing.
Addysgiadol.
Fyddgofiadwy.
It's an exciting time to be involved in farming at this stage, and this is your opportunity to build your career for the next few years. So please join and apply for the Junior Agri Academy 2019.